Kuri tariki 11 mweri wa Kanyua hongo mwaka muhituku niguo gataro ga kamiti ya kunyabara mubira wa maguru guku bururi-ini FKF rungu rwa MWENDWA kaingirire mai Minister wa mathako Amina Mohamed akimitianiria na kumba kamiti ya kurugamirira kwa ihinda igitongorio ni jaji wa tene Aaron Lingera.
The Football Federation has failed to account for all the monies allocated to it by government.
Nothing is a better bedrock of football management and development going forward than a good constitution.
Kamiti no yateanirio ni gwicukirwo mahitia ma kungumia kigina kia muingi Nick MWENDWA ari mwikoiro munene akinyitwo na kurekererio mahinda kwa mahinda.
We have provided information. When called upon by Parliament, we have gone. We have done everything the way we should do. So we need no protection from anyone.
Ede ona kuri uguo kuringana na mawatho ma kamiti ya kunyabara kabira thi yothe FIFA, kamiti ya kagi ndebatie kuingirwo ni thirikari na njira yothe na undu uyu ugithie na mbere kumararaka na kwaga kuiyukia kamiti ya ihinda na makimitianiria kaimana.
To suspend two of our member associations, Kenya and Zimbabwe, both for government interference.
Kuhurwo karamu ni FIFA ni kuga ati athaki a Kenya matingigorwo na nja wa bururi, marefari a Kenya matingithakithia ngucanio cia nja wa Kenya, tutingithaka mbitikaini cia Africa ta AFCON undu umwe na ngucanio cia kimabũrũri ta World Cup.
Kwenda camp kwa vile watacheza na nani, hamna mtu wa kucheza naye ambaye hawezi kubali wachezaji waende nchi za nje, itakuwa ni ile kama mko fully banned.
This comes, we might even not be able to officiate in Qatar because the referees are about just to be selected who are going to officiate in Qatar. So there's so much to lose.
Undu uyu no gikirwo cumbi ona makiria ni marua ma CEO wa FKF Barry Otieno kwandikira FIFA akiuga FKF ndiri na wigiriki wa kuigana. Marua maya magicungiriria nyarari cia Harambee Starlets kwaga guthie mbitikaini cia AFCON ona mehariirie gucemania na nyarari cia Uganda. Kamiti no iri matawa-ini ni guteaniria irabu cia KPL undu mwana NSL kimera kihituku na riu maitho mothe makire kurio mbitika ya kagi ikirigirirwo kwambiriria. Matanya ma Kenya kwamukira kagi kimera giki tariki 27 wenana mathongirio ginya tariki 10 mweri uyu na ona mucere utahwite mai ngucanio ino itindikitwo ginya tariki 1 mweri wa 10 kuhe kanya mbitika cia urumwe wa Kenya Kesoso. Kuona kuri na ituika ria wathani na Minister wa mathako aya gucenjio, kamiti ya ihinda nayo yerekeire kuriki ihinda riayo na kuri na muhuhu ati Nick MWENDWA aya gucokeria kibara-ini kia FKF riu kiuria kinene ni hihi mwerekera wa mubira wa maguru ni uriku guku bururi-ini wa Kenya.
Some minister who clearly does not know what she's doing cannot show up and arbitrarily just decide to remove us from office. It is wrong.
Adine Hawega TV metha ya mathako ria koneka mau wa githiji The Ball Boy.